Have you ever wondered how some people make passive income online despite them relaxing? In today's video, I'll be showing you a glimpse of their secrets. So today, I'll be showing you the quickest and easiest way to make money online using ChatGPT and another AI. And you know what's the best part? This method requires no upfront investment and can be done in just a few minutes. So, let's dive right in and begin our journey to online success. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make money with ChatGPT and Pictory AI. To proceed, first things first, open up your browser of choice. Then, tap on the search bar, then type in chat.openai.com. As you can see, my account is already signed in on ChatGPT. So, just kindly sign into your existing account before proceeding. However, if you do not have a ChatGPT account yet, what you want to do is to just sign up or log in an existing account like your Gmail. Once here, you can already start asking the AI your question. But before we proceed, it is advised to think of a niche that you are interested in, for it will be easier for you to correlate with the chosen topic and provide better videos and ideas to your community. Once done thinking, let us now chat AI by typing suggest niche .r high demand. Then insert your chosen niche. In my case, I'll type in writer's block. After the AI has generated your answer, what you want to do is to copy one of the following that is aligned to your preference. Then, ask AI this time to generate you a video title based on the niche that you copied. So, type in generate YouTube video title ideas about, then paste the one you copied. After that, copy the one you like, then after that again, ask for AI for the last time regarding this question. You will type in, can you generate me a faceless video script about, then paste the title that you have copied. Once everything is done, copy the script that the AI has generated, then open up a new tab, then type in app.pictory.ai. And then proceed on by signing in. However, if you do not have an account yet, just manually sign up or just log in any existing account of yours like your Gmail, for example. After logging in the main page of the website will welcome you. As you can see, there are several options where you can choose from. However, since ChatGPT has already composed as a script, what you want to do is to tap on the proceed under script to video. After tapping, it will bring you to a page where you can paste your script. Just paste it, then tap on proceed on the upper right side once finalized. Once here, you choose from several templates that are available. But I suggest you to choose the template that greatly aligns with your chosen niche. In my case, I'll choose this. So, what you want to do is to hover your cursor to your chosen template and then tap on Select. And then, the website will then ask you to choose a ratio. Do you want to have your video in a landscape, portrait, or square format? Just select one and wait for the AI to generate your whole video and script. Once the AI has generated your video, you can customize it based on your preference. If you want to change the font style, font text, or any that regards the font, just tap on the text that you can see on your video. However, if you want to change the background or the background animation, just tap on the visual tool that can be found on the left side of your screen. On the other hand, if you want to change the name of your project, just tap on the project that can be found on the top left side of your screen and input any name you want to input. You can also record a voiceover or upload a voiceover by tapping on the Add Voiceover tool under your video. If in any case you don't want any small watermark on your video, you can upgrade your account to a premium one by tapping on the upgrade on the upper right side options. Anyways, once you have finalized everything and you're done on customizing, just tap on the download button on the top right corner of your screen. It will take quite a while, so just be patient. Once done, tap on download again, but this time it will now be directly downloaded to your files. And that's it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make money with ChatGPT and Pictory AI. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.